The last thing we need to know about Porter's strategies is we need to be able to compare them. So that means how they're similar and how they're different. So let's look at how they're similar. They are similar because whether you want to be lowest cost or differentiated, you're basically implementing a strategy to help your business achieve its objectives. So we go all the way back to chapter 1. There were things like to make a profit, increase market share, fulfill a market need, and so on. Both strategies, if they're implemented well, are going to be able to achieve that. How else are they similar? Well, they're basically both designed for you to beat your competitors. That's called a competitive advantage. So it's just about how you beat them. But both strategies ultimately are designed to help you beat those competitors. What about the differences? And that's a little bit easier to talk about. So we could say the lower cost strategy. So what does that do? That creates a standardized product. Every unit's the same or very, very similar. It's produced in mass quantities. We get those economies of scale because we make so many of something. And therefore we lower costs and we can sell at a low price. How's that different to the differentiation strategy? Well, instead of a standardized product, we're creating a unique or superior product. It is different to everyone else's. It might even be different for each customer. That's how tailored it is. Not only that, maybe we're not going to sell as many as the competitor. We're not going to sell as many Lamborghinis as we are Toyotas. It's just a fact. But we're going to charge more for each one. And therefore, that's another part of it. We can charge a premium price rather than selling at lowest prices. And lastly, we could say each strategy does attempt to achieve a competitive advantage, which we've got as a similarity here, but they just do it differently. So lowest cost is about what is your competitive advantage? Price. Differentiation, what is your competitive advantage? Well, it's the product itself, and it's